Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Morgan Dollar bolo tie. First, I'll start off with this Morgan Dollar with a couple small drill holes 1 millimeter across, and then feed the blade through and start cutting. And here's a look at the final product. We have our fully cut Morgan Dollar. So here what I'm doing, I'm taking a sander with my Dremel tool and basically I'm etching the back of that bolo tie clip so it sticks easier when we solder it to the base of the coin. I'll take a little blob of that solder paste and stick it right there on the coin and then put that bolo tie clip on the back of it. So here I'm flipping up that clip just so I can gain access to the base of the metal, and I will use a butane torch to heat the metal until it's fully soldered. That little jar on the left is what we call liver of sulfur. Smells like Yellowstone and eggs. Put a little dab of that in the hot water solution, and then we're going to stir it and add our bolo tie. It needs about 5 minutes to sit and stir in solution until it creates this nice black oxide layer. And then we're going to go ahead and sand it off. Here I'm using a fine sanding buffing paper that allows me to get that really nice shiny finish on it without destroying too much of the patina behind it. We are almost done. I have my braided leather cord that I am tying through the ends of the bolo tie clip on the back, and then we're going to be adding a couple lanyard ends that are going to be kind of decorative. Once everything is put in place, we'll kind of stretch out the cord and take some photos of it. Thanks everyone for watching. I will post a lot more content like this here in the future. Please like and subscribe.